start. Good afternoon again, grade 9. You'll now start the item analysis for your second periodical test. Allow me to share my screen. Please turn on your camera. Okay. Can you see my shared screen now?
Yes, sir.
For test 1A, it's multiple choice. I'll be calling you by your name, only the two of you, and um, you will just read the question and you give the answer directly. Okay? So let's start from Margie, number 1.
It is considered as the basic unit of the DNA.
So what should be your answer?
B.
B, correct. It's nucleotide. Followed by MD.
It is considered as the basic unit of protein. B, amino acid.
D, amino acid. Okay, number 3, Margie.
It is a pattern of inheritance in which one allele for a specific character is incompletely dominant over the other allele, resulting to another phenotype in which the expressed physical character is a combination of the dominant and recessive phenotype.
It is
B. Codominance.
predominance. Incompletely dominant. So it's incomplete dominance A.
Oh,
Number
A.
4, MD.
It is a condition of inheritance in which two different alleles for a genetic characteristic are equally expressed. Is it called dominance, sir?
Dominance,
Codominance.
yes, correct. Number 5, Margie.
It is considered as the sex determinant chromosome. A.
A, gonosome, correct. Number 6, MD.
As a scientist and Augustinian friar working in the 19th century was the first to study genetics scientifically. He is considered as the father of modern genetics. It's Gregor Mendel,
Yes,
C.
correct. It's C, Gregor Mendel. Number 7, Margie.
These are sequences of nucleotides in DNA or RNA that encodes the synthesis of a gene product, either RNA or protein.
Is your answer?
Heredit. Wait.
Sequence of nucleotides in DNA form.
A. Genes.
A, genes, correct. Number 8, MD.
It is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring, either through asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. The offspring cells or organisms acquire the genetic information of their parents. Inheritance,
You sure? Inheritance?
heredity.
Heredity. Passing through. And what are those characteristics being passed through its inheritance? Okay, again, heredity is the process of passing through. Okay, when I say inheritance, these are the traits being passed through. Okay, these are the inherited traits. Okay, number 9, Margie.
These are organized structure located in the nucleus of cells. No, chromosomes.
Chromosomes, correct. Let's move to MD.
It is considered as the basic unit of proteins. Amino acid.
Amino acids, correct. So let's move now to test 1B. You are asked to identify the terminology being described in each number. Okay, let's start with the last number again. Number 10 was Margie.
Me, sir.
Okay. Margie, 11.
It is a genetic condition where an individual inherits the same alleles for a particular gene from both parents pure, hence the expression capital T, tall.
Okay. Answer. If it is pure,
Monohybrid,
again, Margie,
monohybrid,
monohybrid. If it is pure, it is homozygous. Remember the homozygous and heterozygous, Margie?
yes.
If it is pure, it is what? Homozygous. Number 12, MD.
It refers to the observable physical properties of an organism. These include the organism's appearance, development, and behavior.
Okay. It is.
Sir, I'm not familiar with the answer, but yeah. But I just know that it's like the outside. I forgot the name.
Okay. So if it is outside, you can see it. It is pheno,
Phenotype,
phenotype. That's an observable behavior or observable appearances. You can actually see. Okay. Number 13, Margie.
it is a tabular summary of possible combinations of maternal alleles with paternal alleles.
Okay.
Punnett square,
Punnett square. Correct. Number 14, MD.
It is considered as non-sex determining chromosome. Was
Okay.
it the sex linked, sir?
Uh, sex determining chromosome. It non-sex determining, meaning to say that it will not determine the gender, or it will not determine the male and the female. So what could be this non-sex determining chromosome? It is called autosomes. Remember the gonosome? The gonosome is the determining, di ba? Sex determining chromosome. Now this is a non-determining chromosome, meaning to say that it will determine the characteristic of an individual or an organism. Okay. Number 15, let's have Margie.
it is a gene is located on the Y chromosome. Y sex linked,
Yes, Y-linked chromosome or gene, since we are talking about gene. So Y-linked gene. Okay. How about 16, Margie?
It is a gene. It is a gene is located on the X chromosome. X-linked
Linked
gene.
gene. Correct. Number 17, Margie?
it is a cross between two organisms with different variations at one genetic chromosome of interest, the hybrid.
Okay. It is a cross between two organisms with different variation of one genetic chromosome of interest. One, Margie. It is monohybrid. One genetic chromosome of interest. That's monohybrid. Number 18, MD.
It is a cross between two different lines or genes that differ in two observed traits.
Oh, wait, sir. In 17, sir, it says between two.
Two organisms. Yes, because we need to cross. You cannot cross. Remember, it needs a male and a female. That's why it's two different or variations and one genetic chromosome of interest. That is why. And number 18, it is talking about two different genes that differ in two observed traits.
Dihybrid.
The dihybrid. When you say one genetic chromosome of interest, we're just talking about one allele. But if it is crossed in two different lines of genes that differ in two observed traits, it is dihybrid. Okay. Number 19, Margie.
It is an organism's complete set of heritable genes or genes that can be passed down from parents to offspring.
Okay. That's it. What would be the answer? Margie? Margie?
I'm still thinking, sir.
Okay. If it is a complete set of heritable genes, we're talking about
The what I forgot the name, sir, but the one with the A, B, A, C, T, and G.
what do you mean? It is
I forgot, sir.
oh,
But it's the one with the A, T, and C and G.
what do you mean codons?
Yes, sir.
It's
Codon.
complete set of chromosomes or complete set of character traits can be passed on. This is genetic characteristic. Again, it is genetic characteristic. So let's unlock the difficulty. Okay, when you're talking about heredity, this is the process of what? Of
Passing.
transferring genes or transferring the characteristics from parents to offspring. When you say inheritance, these are the traits being passed through. Okay? When you say a complete set of heritable genes, this is genetic characteristics. This is now the backbone of genetics. Okay? Question so far, MD and Margie.
No, sir.
Okay. Number 20, let's have MD.
It is having two different alleles of a particular gene or genes mixed, hence expressions of double T, tall with short. Heterozygous, sir.
Heterozygous. Meaning to
Okay.
say that it has an expression of two different alleles, the tall and the short. It's two. So, heterozygous. Correct. For test 2A, you are asked to identify and supply the elements with correct electronic configuration sequence. Okay. What I want you to do now is I will be assigning this to you and we need to put it in your Microsoft Word or Notepad and I will allow you to share your screen. Okay. The last one was MD, right? So Margie bromine, um, MD organism, and Margie again senescent. So I will just give you a minute to do that and I will allow you to share your screen. Just let me know if you are already ready. Or, let me check on the time. Or if in case, we can do that one, you can share your screen by next meeting. What do you think?
Okay, sir, next meeting, since writing it is long.
Correct. Long. So again, I will allow you to share your screen in order for me to check on your answer. Okay. Again, by the way, I will give special points to you, Margie and MD, for your participation. Okay. And just tell your classmates that online classes is really vital for your grades because this is one of your class standing. I cannot just, ignore your I cannot just ignore your participation. Oh, it's a big no-no. This matters to me. At the same time, the discussion also matters to me. I think that will do all
Okay.
for today.
Sir,
Yes.
was that all, sir? Three electronic configuration?
Yeah.
The kuan?
The Blooming.
Here, sir, in our test for online, it's 10, but I think murag wala dito ang
What do you mean 10?
or 10 kabuk ang electronic configuration ba?
Let me check. It's 10. Let me check.
Yes, and the OG is not here. Only the bromine.
Let me check on it. Huh? It's only 3. Bromine, organosin, and tenacin. Second periodical test. MD, second periodical test. It is
Wait, sir, ha? Yes.
only 3 here.
Our sir is kuan.
Hmm?
Yeah, 10.
Then,
Oh, it's okay, sir.
3.
It's okay, sir.
That's okay now.
Yeah.
So again, we'll have the electronic configuration by next meeting. And hopefully, your other classmates can join. Right? I think that will be all for today. Margie and MD, thank you for your participation. And hopefully you can have also some of your classmates by next meeting. I think that will be all for today. Thank you for your time again. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.